Stop binge scrolling because I am about to tell you different life scenarios you may be using binge. Have in mind that people use binge in many different ways, doing a lot of something continuously, excessively, or all at once. It isn't only for being watching series. I completely binged on chocolate chips cookies last night. I binged TikTok videos for 3 hours. He went on a drinking binge. I'm so slow today. I binged on highway miles trying to beat traffic and slept terrible. Stress can lead to binge eating. You gotta avoid using this phrase around people who struggle with clinical eating disorders, because binge eating disorder is a serious medical condition. Hey, you gotta try that new spot downtown. I completely binged on tacos after the concert last night. They are the best. Instead of, could you stop looking at your phone? Can you stop binge scrolling? Hey, step away from the screen binge. Let's go eat. Okay. Instead of, could you stop buying things? Alright, Paul. You need to chill out on a binge buying. Your credit card is going to melt. Now is your turn. Go on a learning binge this weekend and unlock your fluency. I'll see you around.